Wait, this one's metal.
One hand? What? You are doing such a great job, Kai. Such a great job. Is that fun?
Yeah, I got that. Wait, that's good.
And buddy, is it loose enough to do with your fingers, you think?
Yes, it is.
Great. Do it all the way off. Okay, and then now take off your training wheel.
Not yet.
Wait, no. You gotta take it all the way off. There you go.
One unscrew, two unscrewed.
And then later we're gonna try riding the bike without the training wheels, huh?
Yeah.
Great job. And put that one back on and screw it all the way back on so we don't lose it, yeah?
Can you help me, Daddy?
Of course. Great job, buddy.
Can we do these now?
No, they'll stay on.
Why? Why?
The glider doesn't have pedals, but this one, you're gonna keep the pedals so you can push. Okay?
Daddy,
Great
we
job,
will
buddy.
ride it.